I'm Adriana. I'm shopping here at Kroger with Dr. Eric Snow. We are doing a healthy grocery haul for you guys, and today we are going to teach you all about seasonings and some things to look out for. But first, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this. So, things to look out for in seasonings and spices are going to be preservatives, chemicals, anti-caking agents like maltodextrin and silicon dioxide. Definitely nothing with MSG in it. So I have a couple of examples here to show you of things that are added to seasonings. So we have salt and garlic, but then we have monosodium glutamate. That's MSG, guys. That's bad news. Stay away from it. And we have citric acid, parsley, and calcium stearate. And then another example of a garlic salt, we have sea salt, garlic, salt, and then modified cornstarch, which isn't the worst thing, but it's just a filler, so it's really not the best thing. You can find just a seasoning. So that's what I'm going to tell you about now. Is the best option is organic seasonings, and under the organic umbrella, you're really not going to find those added preservatives and anti-flow agents. So this one, for example, this is organic cayenne, and they don't even have an ingredient list on it because it's just cayenne pepper. But the good thing about organic is there's no pesticides sprayed on them. When you get into dried seasonings like this, it concentrates the pesticides on the seasonings if they're not organic. So you're getting a lot of the pesticides in them if they're not organic, if they're the conventional kind. So stick with organic. I hope this quick video was helpful to you guys. If it was, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this one. I'm Adriana with Dr. Eric Snow, helping you transform your health natural.